Before you upload your next video, stop, because I'm about to show you the exact secrets that I'm using to get more views on my videos. Now, if you notice, you're going to see that I'm actually getting views on my videos lately. And trust me, most small channels do not even know this. So I'm going to be showing you what you should do before you upload any video on your channel for you to be able to get that massive views which you're actually looking for. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Buki again, and in today's video I'm going to be revealing the behind scenes method that I use after editing my videos. Strategy helps me get more views. First thing I do whenever I finish editing my video is for me to upload it to YouTube. Yes, so the moment I upload my videos, I make sure I put them on private. I'm going to be making it so practical as I'm explaining it to you guys. I'm going to put it on the screen so that you can see exactly how I do my things before I make them public. And this works like magic. You can check my channel to see that it is actually working. And if you should implement this exactly the way I'm going to explain in this video, you are going to definitely get that result. So you do not want to miss any part by skipping any part, and trust me, you're going to get massive results. You know, I don't bring anything I've not tested or trusted in this channel. Whatever I bring to this channel, whatever video I make, it is actually something I have done myself, and I've actually seen the results. So guys, let us get right into the video. I'll be placing the screen record here so that you can see exactly how I do these things. First thing you need to do is that you would have finished editing your videos. Make sure you have edited your videos, upload it to YouTube, and make it private. Now, after you've made it private, you head over to your YouTube app. Now, I'm sure before you made a video or sit down to film a video, you already know the topic in your head. Now, let's assume that the video I uploaded is on how to get 4,000 watch hours, which I just uploaded recently on my channel. Now, this is how I did and optimized that particular video that got me views. Now, what you need to do is to head over to your YouTube app, then you click on the search bar. So you type the topic which you already want to, which you have already done the video. Type that particular topic. Now I'm going to type how to get watch hours. You get now, and it is going to bring several videos of creators that have actually done that particular topic. Now, what you need to do, the next thing you need to do is to identify high performing videos on that particular topic. Now, what I'll do next is to look for a particular video with that same topic that did really well, like that got the massive views, that got massive views. So now I'm just going to, I don't want this video to be too long, but I'll just scroll down and, look for a particular video that did really well. At least from 20k views is still very, very okay. So I'm just going to look for videos that did very, very well, excellently well. So let me scroll down a bit. Okay, now let me check this Ben did it. Now I think I should use this one. So what you need to do, once you've identified or you've seen a particular video that did really well in that particular topic which you have filmed, you click on it. Then what you need to do is for you to go to their description box. Go to the description box of that particular video. Now look at it. Yeah, so you can see Ben did its description, struggling to hit 4,000 watchers and likes and likes and likes. And here he already has the tags. So I'm just going to save this and check for more channel. Probably I'm going to see another channel that did excellently well than this. So let me see. Let me see. Okay, I think this one got 36k views. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to pause it and also check the something. Okay, okay, this is actually, this is fine. This is fine. So what you need to do next is for you to steal, let me not say steal, we're going to copy their description. So you just long press on it, and scroll down and copy everything. Copy it, including the hashtags. Copy it. So once you've copied it, then you head over to ChatGPT. Now, that's why I said you're not stealing, you're just copying. So you head over to ChatGPT, tell it, kindly make this description more highly ranked. Yeah. Now, so you're just going to, paste that something. Now let's send it. And yeah, it is going to, help you to rearrange it so that it not look exactly, but trust me, it is still going to look somehow like their own description. Now what this does is that this description and the tags does a lot of work, because for their own videos to get that kind of high engagement, definitely the algorithm really love how the video was optimized and their description is included. So if you copy exactly their description, this is going to help your videos to do so well also. So now look at it. Here is a high ranking SEO optimized YouTube description. So what you need to do is for you to copy this. Just copy it. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and head over to my YouTube studio. I have a particular video on my channel that I have not actually uploaded. I've not made it public, so let's use that one. For instance, let's use that one for this particular video. So I'm just going to look for the video. Yes, this is it. I have not made it public at all. So you just go to your YouTube studio, that particular video which you have uploaded, but you have not made it public. Now you click on the description, just copy and paste it. Just paste that particular description which ChatGPT help you to do. Now this is it. Then you head over back to your ChatGPT and tell it to give me high ranking tags and SEO keywords that I can copy and paste. Now let's wait for it to generate that. This works like this is what this trick. No, when I discovered this trick, it is actually working, and that is what I've been doing on all my videos. So now you can see high ranking SEO tags and keywords. Just copy and paste. You do not need to start thinking about what do I write, how to whatever. Do you get? So now it has generated these keywords. So what you just need to do, just copy it. Okay, just copy it. Once you copy it, yeah, copy, then you go back to your YouTube studio. Then under that description, you just give it a little bit space and then you paste those keywords. Now whoever is searching, you see all these keywords, whatever it is, even if it is not related to that topic, like if the person searching for that video did not type exactly your title, but search for anything in this keyword, YouTube is going to recommend your video to them. Now, let's say that this particular video is how to get watch hours, and another person just type, I want to get, okay, let me see one of it. Another person just type watch YouTube watch time hacks. Now, because I have YouTube watch time hacks in this description, in the SEO keywords that I attach to my description, definitely YouTube is going to recommend this my video to that person. So you see how important it is. Now, after you've written these SEO keywords, the next thing for you to do is to attach tags. Now let's head over back to ChatGPT and check for the, let me tell you to, okay, I think it didn't give me, okay, give me, just type give me tags I can copy and paste to the tag section. Yeah, so it is actually generating it. Now you can see. So after you're done with that, you go back. Now you go to the tag section. You can see tag, short remixing. Click on the tag section. So now just copy the tags from your ChatGPT. And remember, always tell ChatGPT that your tag should not be more than 480 characters, because if it is more than 480 characters, you're not going to be able to save your work. So make sure it is under 480 character. So now we're just going to, copy and you click on paste. So once you've included your tag, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on this category. Okay, if you're into how to cook, just click on it, you're going to see different kind of categories there: comedy, education, entertainment, whatever it is you're doing. Make sure that what you're doing falls into the categories, one of the categories here. So because I'm actually teaching like a tutorial video, I'm going to click on education, and it is already on education. So then you go back. Now the next thing is for the title. Now this is very, very important. What you need to do is to head over back to YouTube. Now we're just going to steal that title. That is it. Like, you're going to copy. You're going to copy their exact. This one you don't even need to do anything. Just copy exact title. Okay. So I think this one did really well, but it is kind of too long. Most of us here, we don't really have the time to sit down and start reading longer titles. So I want a video that did really well but has a shorter title. So let me just, scroll down again to see which video actually. Yeah, so I think I like this one too. Is all right. Get 4,000 watch hours fast with this method. This is very short and straightforward. So as it is now, I'm just going to, steal their title and use it exactly on my video. So it says get 4,000 watch hours fast with this method. So I'm just going to go to my YouTube studio and type get 4,000 watch hours. Okay, what did you say? Fast using this method. Now the reason why I like this particular title is because whoever sees this is going to be watching, oh, what method is this person actually talking about? And you have no choice than to just click, because you're actually curious to know which method I am actually talking about. Do you get? Now this is what I do behind the scenes before I make my videos public. So once I see that this thing is in check, everything is okay, and I've clicked on no, it is not for kids, no, it is not an altered content. Now what I do is just I save it. Now it is still on private. Then I head over back to my YouTube studio, the desktop version. Then I add my end screens, I add my cards. Then after that, I go back and make it public. Then I save it, and that is all. And with this, there's no way you're not going to get views. Like, see, even if you're into cooking, if you're into gaming, if you're into football, whatever niche it is you are doing, this works so well. All you need to see, if you're even into cooking, you can just look for, we have Ilda Basti, we have Sisi Yemi. These are big YouTubers in cooking niche. Just look for, probably you want to make how to make egusi. Once you're done shooting your video and you're done editing, upload it on YouTube, make it private, go to this big creators channel and look for their own video that is related to that kind of topic which you just made. If it is how to make egusi, go to their videos, check their how to make egusi, check their description. These are the things that fit the algorithm to push your video. So you can just go to their channel, check their description, copy it, check their tags, copy it, check their title, copy it, and you're good to go. And lastly, do not forget that your thumbnail also matters. Like, your thumbnail is like the air that your content actually breathes. Because if people do not click on that particular content, there's no how they are going to watch your video. So they need to click first before they can watch what you have in your content. And for them to click, your thumbnail needs to be very, very catchy. So if you don't know how to make catchy thumbnail, I made this particular video on how you can make catchy thumbnail without having to use Canva, CapCut, and the likes. Very, very simple. In less than 5 minutes, you're done making your thumbnail. So if you find this video very helpful, do where to like, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.